Hello from Slovenia again. So when you have some paints from all over, I don't know, different mixtures so left in your cups, for me it's always time to do some experiments, and today I will try to do a double dip, kind of a tree, I don't know, tree thing, forest kind of. I'm totally out. So I will use leftovers from ultimate pouring that I used in my previous pour, and some of these little piggy pigments mixtures from the video before. And I will add just a little bit of base. This is my titanium white mixed with ultimate pouring, just to wet my wooden panels a little bit. And then I will add a little more on the top, just here on the bottom, where I will drizzle my paints like I do for my double dip technique. I will add quite a lot of other colors. So okay, and I decided that I will paint one white and one black, just for fun. Okay. I did once double dip with gold and copper background, and they didn't mix together much, so I just thought, let's do something different again. Because you know, I just love to experiment with all those different things. So okay, now to the paint drizzling. Now I will squish them together, like Julie would say. Up. so weird. Definitely wasn't the good idea to add the black one, I think, and too much of that on the top. So let's remove this and I will try to do a reverse one with napkin. So let's do a reverse flower dip kind of with the napkin, but I will pull it just straight up, not like in the middle. So I will just drizzle here. My white. So the first one didn't went as I hoped, so this is so thick. This is the ultimate pouring. I still didn't find the consistency that it would be right, I think. Okay. I will not spray my napkin this time, and I will just put it down. Okay, and I will press this because I didn't kind of cover the whole thing with the base, so, and I did add quite some catalyst on the top of my paints. I can touch this because I think that I don't have enough paint on there. So the moment of truth. Wow, nice. And this one has a potential. I think, because you have to be careful to add enough paint next time. This should level out while drying, so but just for the next time. Oh, interesting. So here is a close-up. This first one, I didn't like it at first, but it's not so bad at all. Maybe I should turn those two. And the second one, reverse flower dip, kind of too busy definitely, but I did got some nice lacing. And this is the napkin. So another day, experimenting day, and see you on the next one. Bye.